सो फाटल्या कांय दिसांनी आमकां इन्फॉर्मेशन मेळ्ळें की एका जाग्यार एट वन प्लेस there is a unit which is operating under unhygienic conditions, and today we tracked it down at Gausawado, and we found that there were a lot of violations. So we have asked these unit to shut down operations. Similarly, we have seen other two units also. There one unit in Moira which was a pretty good condition, so we appreciated that they were following all the norms. And we have tracked down the retail outlet, which is a very well known place here in Mapsa, and unfortunately they were operating without the FDA license, so we have fined them 10,000 rupees, and we've also drawn samples. खूबच अशें म्हणजे नॉन कंप्लायन्सीस असलेले इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्ट्रक्चरल डेफिशियन्सीज असलेले. देर वॉज नो सॅनिटरी कार्ड्स ऑफ दी फूड हँडलर्स, आणि भरपूर अनहायजिनीक कंडिशन नासलेल्या कारणान आमी तांकां बंद करपाक लायला.
जेन्ना शॉपार तुमी पळयलें जाल्यार शॉपान पॅकींग डेट वगैरे कशें कितें?
या शॉपान जे प्रॉडक्ट्स असलेले ताजेरूय कांय लेबल्स नासले. देवर नो लेबल्स ऑन द पॅकेट्स. सो वीव ट्रायड टू ट्रॅक डावन. वीव गॉट टू नो दॅट द मॅन्युफॅक्चरर is from other states and is supplying into Goa. So now our aim will be to establish who are these suppliers and to put them in place to ensure that all these supply chains are tightened. हय, हाका सद्याक तरी बंद करूंक लायला, आनी हाजो जो मॅन्युफॅक्चरींग युनिट आसा तो बंद केला. So this bakery, they have to do some compliances in terms of transferring their license, which they will do in a day or so. But their bakery is totally in an unacceptable condition, so he will have to put everything in place and then only operate. So till that time they will have to do only retail sale.
हाचे इन्स्पेक्शनान सर एकूच हाका आनी केल्ले तुमी?
ना, सद्याक हांगाच खूब टायम गेलो आमचो, म्हणून वी हॅव नॉट डन एनी मोर प्रोमायसीस.
सद्या दोन सर
दोन म्हणजे हाजो सद्याक रिटेल युनिट एंड द बेकरी. The other two units which we have inspected, they were minor non-compliances, so hence only improvement notices have been issued to them.
FDA license nasle म्हणटा तुम्ही, renew nasle or it is expired?
License was in the name of his father who has passed away, so there is some formality of transferring that needs to be done.
सर आमी पळयता तुमी कंटिन्युअसली रेड मारीत आसा, पण कस्टमरांक कशा तरेन एक मेसेज दिवंक सोदता की हाउ टू आयडेंटिफाय सच फूड्स or items?
See, basically all these units which operate on the street side, I think it is very much evident. If it is visible to us that they are unhygienic, then people should not patronize them. They can also share the details with us. Not that we are not watching, we are of course watching, but we have a process, and for us it will take time till we reach out to everyone, and this drive will continue. It started off as a special drive, but based on the need, we know that this has to continue, and it will go a long way down till we are able to set a benchmark in our state and ensure that at least the basic hygiene is maintained. So that is what is our aim, and we will ensure. And as you see, we have continued to work in the late hours, because we also know that most of these units, they function post 6 o'clock. So hence we have to extend our working hours, which is not a problem, and we will go ahead and make sure that all these units are touched upon.